Hi, what's up, Arm Hammer Store. So this is Mel from Purple Pepper Commerce, and today I want to show you where your product ranks in Amazon's search algorithm. So what I did is pull up your ASIN here in Cerebro, and it looks like you're ranking with a lot of keywords. So good job on that. Looks like you are ranking for 3,454 keywords. That is great, but if you could also run some ads to meet a good ratio amount, which is 1:2 ratio, that would be perfect because it will help your product get more sales and, push through in your category. And yeah, the organic rank is also great, but if you wanted to increase the number, we can surely help you. We have four SEO phases here in Purple Pepper Commerce that has been strategically proven to work with all of our clients. And one thing that we could start on is the title, because right now you have not exceeded the 150 characters. If you have a keywords list, uh, choose one that is highly searched and it is relevant and add it in here because that would be perfect. Plus, you can also take advantage of the alt text because I've checked this one earlier, but it looks like each image is, you know, in the alt text and the brand story, you're just describing the image or maybe, just putting some naming convention in there. But one thing that I suggest is take advantage of it. Instead of just adding, you know, random keywords in there, you can choose from your keyword list as well that is highly searched and is relevant. And each image and banner has 100 character limit, so take advantage of those. Add more keywords in there, and they'll help you index better to more keywords. And yeah, just follow those tips that I provided you, and surely this number will increase, and also your sales will increase. But if you need any help in managing your product right here, oh, it went back, sorry. Yeah, your product right here as well as your other products, you can go ahead and visit our website, which is purplepeppercommerce.com. Just click the Let's Start button in here, fill this out, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, once again, this is Mel, and hopefully you have a good one. Bye bye.